Hello beautiful people, this is Ankita Bhardwaj. Welcome to the channel Ankita's Divine Tarot. This channel is all about pick a card readings, zodiac sign readings and monthly predictions. So if you are interested, then don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, like and share. And today I'm here with a reading for Taurus. What is coming up for Taurus in the very near future? What can Taurus expect in their professional life or in their romantic life? So first of all, what I see for Taurus is that in the very near future and right now also, I think the financial condition is stuck or stagnant right now, and on financially you are trying to control everything. You're trying to, wherever you work or whatever you do in your professional life, whether you're studying or whatever, you're trying to have the control, you're trying to have the balance in your financial life, you're trying to control finance, you're trying to balance the finance in your life. But right now that is somehow not happening for you. Maybe in the near future also this is going to be the case. Maybe if not now, then in the near future this is going to be the case that your financial life is going to be a little stuck, a little stagnant. Maybe you will feel stagnant, you will feel that I want more, I want more, but it's not happening. You will want to control, you will want to balance your finance, but somehow that will not happen. I also see that you will have in the very near future some options are coming up for you. Maybe this is you dreaming a lot about options, dreaming that I want this, I want that, daydreaming a lot or imagining something or overthinking about something a lot. If this is not your energy, so then in the future this is going to be your energy, that you will want to have a lot, you will dream about having a lot of options, but somehow the situation will be stagnant. And I also see when you have a lot of options, you won't be able to decide what you actually want in your life. Some confusing state is coming for you in the future, which is going to give you conflicts, which is going to cause conflicts, which is going to confuse you a lot. So I do see that for financially, what you need to, the guidance here is that you need to do some charity, you need to maintain a balance in order, you need to give a little in order to have more. So please try to do some charity, try to help anybody who needs help right now or who needs you right now around you. Try to help them. I do see that some romantic offer is coming your way, but with this inner conflicts, with this confusion, I do see that in that situation also you won't be able to choose properly. You will be overthinking about someone from the past maybe, or you will be overthinking about this person who is coming towards you in the near future. So you will need to have this clarity, you will need to have faith that everything will somehow work out, because I do see that in the future clarity is not something coming for you. Instead of that, confusion is coming for you, conflict is coming for you, and a lot of overthinking is also coming for you. Let's see specifically what's coming in your romantic life. Okay, I do see that maybe you are waiting for someone. See, if this message is, I'm trying to connect with a lot of people. So if you are waiting for someone, then I think it's worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. This might be the person, okay, the romantic offer that's going to come for you in the future, which I mentioned before, could be from your past, or could be the person you have been waiting for. So please, this connection is worth waiting. Have faith. This connection could be your soulmate partner, this could be your soulmate partner, this could be your soulmate. This connection is pure, do not worry. Express your love when you feel the need to express it. Maybe because of the overthinking and because of the conflicts, confusions, because of trying to control so much, holding back of feeling so much, you're not able to express in your love life. I do see that you won't be able to express honestly your love. So the guidance is to express your love, go ahead and make the romantic gesture. If you're waiting, then this could also be an indication that you can make a move. If you're thinking about making a move and just overthinking about it and not actually taking a step, this could be the message that take a step, it's all going to be fine. It's just your overthinking that is disturbing you a lot, that's creating conflicts for you, that's creating this confusion state for you, or maybe in the future this is going to happen for you. So this and if you are not waiting for anybody, somebody is going to come in your love life, somebody who you have been imagining all your life, the personality, the kind of personality, the kind of person you have been wanting. Somebody is going to make a romantic gesture. It's just that the person is going to be pure, genuine. It's just that you are going to deal with some problems. The imbalance is going to be there. You are going to face some insecurities or confusion whether to move on with it or not, and the guidance is to go ahead and express your love if anything happens like this. Overall message I have for Taurus today is that financially you're going to feel a little stagnant for few months, maybe 2 to 4 months. Yeah, maybe 2 to 4 months you're going to feel financially stagnant. You will try to control the inflow of money, but it will not be in your hands, and you will have this desire to have more, but somehow for 2 to 3 months or 4 months you will feel stuck. You will have inner conflicts in your financial life, but for your romantic life something good is coming. So if not financial, in within the 2 or 4 months something romantically is coming towards you which you have been wanting. Your love life is going to ascend. You're going to meet your soulmate, your true partner, and the guidance is to truly express your feelings. Also for your financial life, the guidance is to please do some charity, which is needed right now. So this is all I have for Taurus today. If it resonated, then please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to share, comment and like. If it didn't resonate, then it's okay. There might be other messages that come from me to you. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to press the bell icon button.